All right, so we're going to wrap up this unit, and we're going to talk about a few other ways to analyze our data. All right, so once we've been able to find the mean, median, mode, mid-range, we can estimate the standard deviation using the range rule of thumb. We can do standard deviation, we can do variance. I feel like there's a couple more I'm forgetting. Anyway, now we have the 5-number summary. So the 5-number summary is the lowest value, the minimum, the highest value, the maximum, Q1, okay, and Q1 is the median of the lower half. There's the actual median, that's called Q2. And there's Q3, it's the median of the upper half. Then we take these 5 numbers and we make a box and whisker plot. Meow. I always feel like it should be like a little cat. I might be tired right now. Let's do some math. It's an ugly cat. I don't know. Okay, no, it looks like a robot. Okay, moving on. All right, we have this data. I bet you it's not gonna let me type. All right. Oh, 45. Let me just do it by hand. Okay, 40. I'm putting the numbers in order. 45. 90. 180. 220. 240. 310. 420. All right. So this dietitian is interested in the sodium content of real cheese versus sodium content of the cheese substitute. These are 2 random samples. We're going to find the 5-number summary, and then we're going to kind of analyze it. All right, so let me do the real cheese first and break it down. All right, so this is our minimum. This is our maximum. All right, then I'm going to take the data. I'll find the median. All right, so the median occurs right here. I'm going to do 180 plus 220 divided by 2, and I get 200. That's my median. It's called Q2. All right, now I need to find Q1, which is the median of the lower half. The lower half of these numbers, the upper half of these 4 numbers. Half, you literally need to have the same number of numbers on each side. So if you have 4 and 4, you have 5 and 5, you can't have 4 and 5. So we're never going to include the median when we split our data in half. Right? Okay, so one. So it's right here. 45 plus 90 divided by 2. It's 67.5. All right, that's Q1. That's the median of the lower half. Then I need to do right here, 240 plus 310 divided by 2. Get 275 Q3. All right, so my answers. The minimum is 40, Q1 67.5, Q2 is 200, Q3 is 275, and the max is 420. That's for the real cheese. All right, let me do the cheese substitute next. We're going to come back to these numbers. Just hang on. Now, let me put them in order. 30, 180, 50, 270, 290, 10, 40. All right. And so we have our data. This is our minimum. This is our maximum. Now let's find our median. All right, so this is our median. It's called Q2. All right, and I'm not going to include him. This is my lower half. This is my upper half. All right, lower half. That is my Q1, 180. The median of the lower half. Then Q3 is right there. The median of the upper half. All right, so my 5-number summary is minimum 130, Q1 180, median Q2 is 270, Q3 is 310, and max is 340. I'm going to take these numbers. I'm going to do a box and whisker plot. Let me write that down real fast. Okay. Let's do real cheese first. 40, 67.5, 200, 275, 420. And then you would need to label these. Like when I ask for the 5-number summary, don't just give me some numbers. This is the min, 1, 2, oh, Q2, decimal, Q3 max. Like you need to label it. All right. Then we have 30, 10, 30, 180, 310, 40. Okay. So box and whisker plot. You're gonna make a number line. Our smallest is 40. Yeah, and our biggest is 420. So 0, 10, 20, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100. So maybe I need to go by. We'll see what happens. I never estimate well. I'm a terrible estimator. Alright, we're gonna pretend 420 is way over there. Like, pretend I drew the line right. Alright, minimum is 40. So right here. So there's a dot right there. Then 67.5, somewhere right there. I don't need perfection. I need true effort. 200's over here. 5. And then 420 is really way over there, but I apparently don't know how to draw a number. Alright. Then we draw a box over these guys. A line through the median, Q2, and then whiskers out here. You're going to be able to tell that's an outlier because it just goes way far out. 420. 420. Oh, isn't that weird? Oh, okay, that's right. Alright, then right on top of it. Okay, I'm going to move the so I have space because I write so darn. Alright, now 30, 50, 50, 70, 270, 310, 350, so this is 340. Right? Then we draw a box around middle 3, a line down the middle, which is median, a whisker out here, and a whisker out here. Alright, and so if we want to compare them, now let's compare. You can say something like Q1 in the cheese substitutes comparable to Q2 in the real cheese. Or you could say Q2 in the cheese substitute comparable to Q3 in the real cheese. Or you could say the range is so much greater in the cheese substitute than the real cheese. Something mathematically sound that I know you can analyze some data, right? And one reason that all of this may be true is because real cheese, right? God makes it and varies, and there's all these different kinds of cheese substitutes you manufactured in a factory, and so you can control the sodium content that it has. All right, let's look at box and whisker plots in the next video.